Yorùbá, tá bá ń sọ fún yín pé we need to get the hell out of Nigeria. Ṣẹ̀rí ìwọ náà wo títì bó ṣe tẹ́, ṣorí bó ṣe tẹ́ pa. This is why we are asking for a country that works. What distance here? Can you say it? Yorùbá nation not going back. As many of you might not understand what it means to have freedom, where you can drive without getting scared or worried that something might happen to you. As we continue the campaign for Yorùbá nation, we say again and again, the Yoruba people must come out of Nigeria as quickly as possible so that we can have a future that works for us, not the current future in this contraction known as Nigeria. My name is Alami Koiki, reporting for Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Yorùbá nation, no going back. Yorùbá nation for life.